Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my lip gloss tubes. So as you can see, I have a lot. So comment down below and guess how many that I have. And yeah, and if you got it correct, then of course I'm going to let you know. But it ranges from 100 to 200. But yeah, anyways, grab like a big bowl, plastic container. And so I picked that one, by which didn't fit everything in there, but as you can see, I'm like undoing each Ziploc bag and then I put it in there. But of course that was only big enough for like 3 of the bags and not all 5 of them. But anyways, it's a really good big container, so if you guys could find something even bigger than that, then yeah, use that. Of course you'll have more space, and it'll be way easier to like mix all the stuff around so they can all get clean evenly, I guess you could say. So right here I grabbed a antibacterial soap, and it was like a citrus smelling soap, so it smelled like amazing. So you can grab a antibacterial soap, and that's really great to get rid of odor and just get rid of like any bacteria that shouldn't even be there. So I put it all on top, and then I put hot or warm water on in the bowl, in the plastic container. So I prefer warm water. Warm water is good. So I put warm water, and then as you can see, this is like ASMR, and you just want to mix it around. And then as you can see, like later on in the video, you can see me put like one hand under all the products and put up front. So basically you just want to mix everything around, make sure that each tube is getting soap and getting water in them and things like that. But anyways, for the rest of the video, it's gonna be like an ASMR. So hope you guys enjoy.
What is that?
My lip gloss tubes. I'm cleaning them.
Oh. I thought it was ice.
No.
What are you doing?